How to log in into Temu account. First of all, launch the Temu application. If you don't have the application, install it from Google Play Store. After you install it, open up the application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you will land on this home page. Now to log in, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface and tap on the icon that says You. Here at the bottom of this interface, you will get sign in button, tap on it. Now, you can either continue with your Google account or simply sign in with your account. Tap on this option that says sign in with another account. Now here you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure you enter your correct email address associated with your account. Or if you have created your account with Google or Facebook or your phone number, you can do that as well by tapping on this option from this interface. After you type in your email address, tap on this continue button. Now you have to enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is an option to recover that says forgot password. Tap on it, follow some instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. Once you're done typing in your email and password associated with your Temu account, tap on this sign in button, and after that you'll be logged into your Temu account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.